Imagine a world where your thoughts can control the technology around you rather than a remote. Intriguing, isn't it? Brain-computer interface technology is near, but could your brain be hacked to compromise sensitive personal information and even manipulate your cognitive function? Before you run to Best Buy, watch this. To understand how we've reached this point, let's take a brief journey back in time. The inception of artificial intelligence, or AI as we know it, began in the 1960s with the creation of the first AI program, ELIZA. Fast forward to the 1980s, a new chapter unfolded with the birth of machine learning, enabling computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. As we entered the new millennium, the rise of deep learning took center stage. This technique, inspired by the human brain, uses artificial neural networks to parse data and make predictions. These key developments have been instrumental in shaping the landscape of AI as we know it today. They've paved the way for a new era of AI, where our thoughts may become the next user interface. Now, fast forward to the present day. We're seeing groundbreaking research in the field of AI. The current state of artificial intelligence research is like a bustling metropolis, teeming with innovation and progress. One of the most promising areas of study is brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. These are systems that allow direct communication between the brain and an external device. Imagine being able to control your computer or smartphone with just your thoughts. While this might seem like science fiction, researchers are making it a reality. They're developing non-invasive BCIs that read brain signals through the scalp, and invasive ones that are implanted directly into the brain. Would you feel comfortable with a brain implant connected to a computer? Maybe a credit card reader at the grocery store? Another exciting development in AI research is the advancement of artificial neural networks. These are systems modeled after the human brain, designed to learn and make decisions in a human-like way. Neural networks are the backbone of many AI systems today, from voice assistants like Alexa to self-driving cars. They're continually improving, becoming more complex, and capable of understanding and processing information on a deeper level. But perhaps the most intriguing area of AI research is the exploration of consciousness in AI. This is the idea of creating machines that are not just intelligent but also aware. They would have a sense of self, an understanding of their existence, and the ability to make independent decisions. It's a concept that's terrifying to me. But every day, we're inching closer to that goal. Every new discovery, every successful experiment brings us one step closer to creating AI that can think for itself and interact with the world around it. These advancements are bringing us closer to a world where our thoughts can directly interact with AI. It's a tantalizing glimpse into the future, a future that could be closer than we think. But what does it really mean to integrate our thoughts with technology? It's a concept that seems to be lifted straight from science fiction. Is this something that we want? Will we recognize it when it's sold to us with a pretty package? Thought-controlled technology, also known as brain-computer interface, is an emerging field that combines neuroscience and computer science in a way that raises many red flags. It involves creating direct communication pathways between the brain and an external device. This technology works by translating brain signals into commands that can control various devices, from computers to prosthetic limbs. Now, imagine a world where your thoughts can directly interact with your digital devices. No need for keyboards, no need for touchscreens, just pure thought. Have we gotten so lazy that we can't type on a computer, or are we deliberately becoming dehumanized? For people with disabilities, it could be a game changer, providing them with a new level of independence. But this technology carries extreme risks, whether through malfunction or malfeasance. The biggest one perhaps being, how do we ensure the accuracy and reliability of such a system? The human brain is complex and each person's neural patterns are unique. Decoding these patterns accurately is no small feat, and does such decoding present risks of harming our neural patterns? And then there's the question of security. In a world where our thoughts can control technology, how do we protect our most private information, our thoughts, from being hacked? This is a concern that researchers are well aware of and are working diligently to address. But perhaps the most pressing issue is the ethical one. If our thoughts can be read and translated into commands, what happens to our privacy? And who gets to decide what thoughts are acceptable to be acted upon? These are complex questions that society will need to grapple with as this technology develops. As we stand on the precipice of this new frontier, we must tread carefully, ensuring that the technology we create serves us, not destroys us. But what happens if this powerful technology falls into the wrong hands? This question looms overhead like a storm cloud, ready to burst at any moment. The possibilities of allowing others into our brain are terrifying. Imagine a world where your thoughts are no longer private, where someone could tap into your mind and steal your deepest secrets. This is not some far-fetched science fiction plot, but a potential reality with thought-controlled technology. Privacy invasion would take on a whole new level, as even your most intimate thoughts could be up for grabs. This goes beyond the realm of physical and digital privacy into the very sanctum of your mind. Furthermore, the potential for manipulation is immense. What if someone could not only read your thoughts but also influence them? They could potentially shape your decisions, your opinions, your very perception of reality. This takes brainwashing to a new level. The implications are staggering, ranging from personal relationships to political landscapes. Then there's the specter of enhanced cyber warfare. Imagine hackers not just infiltrating your computer or smartphone, but your mind. This could lead to a new era of psychological warfare where the battleground is not a physical space, but the neural networks of the human brain. The misuse of thought-controlled technology could lead to a dystopian future, making it crucial for us to tread carefully. We stand on the precipice of a new era, one that holds incredible potential, but also grave risks. It is up to us to navigate this uncharted territory with wisdom and caution. Let's take the possibilities thought-controlled technology just a little bit further. As we continue to navigate this uncharted territory, we must also consider the possibility of even more dystopian scenarios. Firstly, the concept of the thought police from George Orwell's 1984 could become a reality. Authorities might have the power to monitor and control thoughts, effectively policing your mind. This could lead to a society where free thought and individuality are suppressed and conformity is enforced through fear and coercion. Secondly, the ability to control thoughts could lead to unprecedented levels of manipulation. With this technology, one could potentially sway public opinion, control behavior, or even alter memories. This goes beyond mere influence. It's full-fledged control over the individual's mind. Lastly, let's consider the impact of electromagnetic pulses or EMPs. These could potentially disrupt or damage brain-computer interfaces, posing a risk to users. The human brain is a complex organ, and introducing technology into it could make it vulnerable to such attacks. Imagine a scenario where an EMP could wipe out or alter the thoughts of a large population, leading to mass confusion or even worse. These additional risks further emphasize the need for careful consideration and regulation of thought-controlled technology. I have to wonder what kind of people would spend effort creating such a potential monster. We must not lose sight of our humanity in the pursuit of technological advancement. The future of AI is in our hands. It's up to each of us to decide how much we are willing to support with our dollars. As we stand on the brink of this new era, we must ask ourselves, are we willing to integrate our thoughts with technology? It will be hidden in the newest iPhone or operating system, and it's up to us to question how this cool new feature is being accomplished. If we don't have to consciously interact with a machine, then who is controlling our consciousness? One person can design a technology with unprecedented medical advances in mind, while another person can use that same technology to devise a way to control your mind. As we continue to explore the possibilities of AI, it's up to us to ensure that this technology is used responsibly for the betterment of humanity, not its destruction. Thank you for watching our deep dive into AI and thought integration. We hope that we've sparked your curiosity and ignited a passion for responsible technology use. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested in the future of AI. Remember, knowledge is power, and it's up to us to shape the future of this technology. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned for more exciting discussions on the future of AI. Together, let's explore the possibilities and ensure a bright future for all. Thank you.